Good morning, students. Today we will see what is a cardinal. You learned already. Cardinal is means nothing but number of elements in the particular group. That number represents the cardinal of that number. So see 1, 2, 3. These are the three elements you have in the A set. What is this cardinal of A? Will be 3. So the number of elements, total number of elements, how many are there in the particular set? That number represents with n of A. N of A, this is nothing but cardinal of A. Understood? Okay. Now see, if some properties are there regarding this cardinal number, based on the cardinal number. A and B, we are taking A and B two sets, that two non-empty sets. That means some elements are there in the set. Intersecting sets. And that two sets also intersecting with each other. Now, so n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of B. Okay. So n of A plus n of B. See, so this is a Venn diagram. We will show this one, how will be these things. We will show this one with this Venn diagram. Okay. This is the two sets, A, B sets, and non-empty sets, some elements are there. And the two intersecting means we are intersecting this like this. Okay, like this, joining these two sets here, representing with the two circles. Okay, so here I have given see, I have shaded with the lines. So these lines show that A union B. This is the A set, B set, and combination this one A union B. With the straight lines I have shown that represents A union B. With the vertical lines also I have shown here. So that specific part represents A intersection B. Common, these are the elements common to the A and B. Okay. Now here I have given black dots. Those are the elements of A. Okay. Those are the elements of A only. Okay. They are not common to the B. So that's why A minus B. A minus B. See, like this, A minus B. B should not be interacted with the A. Like this. Only A elements. B minus A. This I represented this one with the blue dots. This is represents B minus A. The elements that belong to the B only, not to the A. Only belong to the A. So these are the things we can know from this diagrams. That is Venn diagram. Okay. From this Venn diagram we can know these things. N of A means the number of elements here. I have given the 4 dots, right? N of A here will be 4. N of B is 3. N of B is 3 elements are there. Okay, 3 elements and 4 elements are there. Now, so A intersection B is 5. So when there is no common elements, common elements in between these two sets, then A intersection B is 5. That means null set. So here I have not given any elements here. So this represents A intersection B is 5 here. So now see, A union B, what happens? A union B will be N of A plus N of B only. Directly we can add N of A and N of B elements. We no need to add intersection elements. Why? Because this is an empty set. Empty set, no need to add or delete here. So no need to subtract. So N of A plus N of B, if we add these two, you will get N of A union B directly combine all the elements. Okay. Now see, from this diagram we can note that N of A here 4 elements are there. So these are not interacted with the B elements. So what we can say, this is the A set, this is the A minus B set. Okay. This represents A minus B set here. See, N of A union B. N of A minus B equal to N of A minus N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B. If we take the intersection, if we have here any element here, if we take that element out, we will get the A elements only. So N of B minus A, N of B minus N of A intersection B. If you take the intersection, the common elements, those are common to the A and B. If we eliminate that elements from B, you will get B elements only. Understood? These are the things which we can learn from these Venn diagrams. This is a second problem in 6B, exercise problems. See this question here. Let P and Q be two sets such that N of P union Q equal to 70, N of P equal to 45 and N of Q equal to 38. Draw a Venn diagram and find N of P intersection Q, N of P minus Q, N of Q minus P. This is the problem they have given. first and foremost thing what you have to do, you have to note down the given points. Whatever they have given, first write down. Given that what they have given, the useful points, write down here. So N of P union, draw the Venn diagram here. So this is the Venn diagram that represents P and Q. These are the intersecting sets here. What they have given, N of P union Q. That means N of P union Q means these are the total. So what they have given, this represents here 70. N of P union Q. So N of P is 45. N of total number 70 we know. So observe this 45 and 38. If we add these two, 45 plus 38, how much this one? So 13, 83 you are getting. But this is the more than 70 is there. But you must have N of P union Q equal to 70 only they have given. But what may be the extra numbers here? Extra numbers here, you get here 83. So that will be the common elements of the given two sets here. Common elements means what is that one? Intersection. So N of P intersection Q will be there. That numbers also mixed in this one. See this one. So from this, what are the cardinal property we learned here? N of A union P. So here we are taking P Q na, P union Q. N of P union Q equal to N of P plus N of Q minus N of P intersection Q. What is N of P union Q? They have given 70. Substitute all the values here. This one you need to find out here. So minus is there now. I will send this one to this side. N of P intersection Q equal to, what is this total here? 83. 83 minus 70. What is 83 minus 70? 13. What is this one? N of P intersection Q. Common elements to the P and Q. How many are there? 13 are there. Now, so this is N of A, N of P. So this is P and Q na. This is N of P, this is N of Q. But from these two sets, common elements are 13 are there. So to get this one, only elements of P. Only elements of P. How to get this one? P minus Q means you have to eliminate these elements also. Okay? And write down the P elements only. So what is this one? N of P minus Q. So P intersection Q. This one you got it. Now first one. So P minus Q, first one completed. Next one P minus Q. What you have learned from the properties which earlier we have learned now, N of A minus B equal to N of A minus N of A intersection B. From N of here also P minus Q is there. From N of P, you should eliminate the elements that are common to the P and Q sets. From P, you have to eliminate the combination of elements of P and Q. Those are common to both sets. That we have 13 is there. So total elements of N of P is 45. What you got here? N of P and Q 13. Eliminate this one. So subtract this one. How much you get here? 2 and 3. 32 are there. So only P elements, that is P minus Q, is 32. Understood? Now the third one. What we have to find here? N of Q minus P. The same thing. N of Q minus P means N of Q minus N of P intersection Q. Combination of elements you have to eliminate from Q also. Total number of Q is 38. From 38 eliminate N of P intersection Q, that is 13. How many you get here? 38 minus 13 will be, so 38 minus 13 will be, so 5 and 3 minus 1 to 25. 25. These are the only elements which have in the Q set. Okay, not common to the P set. Understood?